Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best snowboard multi-tool is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any snowboarder, from seasoned professionals carving up black diamonds to weekend warriors enjoying the fresh powder. This handy device ensures your snowboard is always performing at its peak, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, conquering the mountain and having an unforgettable time on the slopes. This video will help you find the perfect multi-tool to keep your snowboard in top condition, no matter your skill level or riding style. Number 5. Desuccus Snowflake Multitool. This amazing tool is a must-have for any occasion. Its compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for everyday carry. It packs 18 different tools into one convenient snowflake design. You'll always be prepared for any task. The unique snowflake shape is not only stylish but also makes it easy to grip and use. It's a perfect blend of form and function. From opening bottles to tightening screws, it's versatile enough for home repairs, outdoor adventures, or even fixing your snowboard. It's lightweight and easily fits in your pocket or attaches to your keys. Take it anywhere you go. Get 18 tools for the price of one. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It's an 18-in-1 multi-tool with a unique snowflake shape and a keychain. If you need a versatile tool for various tasks and like unique designs, this is perfect for you. Its compact size and keychain make it easy to carry, ideal for everyday use and outdoor activities. What people say. Easy to use, sturdy construction. Versatile and easy to save for just the right emergency. Can be stored anywhere. It fits in his pocket easily and is perfect for so many things. Number 4. KeySmart Alltul Snowflake Multitool. This amazing keychain tool is perfect for everyday carry. It's small enough to fit on your keyring, yet powerful enough to handle a variety of tasks. It packs 18 essential tools into one compact design. You'll always be prepared, whether you're camping, fixing something, or just opening a bottle. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Its snowflake design makes it a stylish addition to your keys. The unique snowflake design is inspired by nature, following in the footsteps of our other animal-inspired multi-tools. It's a beautiful and functional piece. Use it to tighten screws, open bottles, or tackle any small repair. It's the ultimate addition to your camping gear or everyday toolkit. We stand behind our product. If it breaks under normal use within 2 years, we'll replace it. What we like. This keychain multi-tool packs 18 essential tools into a compact design. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile tool to carry with you, this is a great choice. Its small size and keychain make it perfect for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. What people say. This is a neat and very sturdy tool for a keychain. I haven't needed any of the tools yet, but I am confident it would work in a bind. Seems to be made of solid steel. It does a few things well. I love this item. It's low profile, looks really neat and comes in handy in so many situations. I've used just about every tool on it, including the flat head as a pick and a wee bit as a pry bar. Yeah, who doesn't? Sturdy build and is just fantastically convenient. Number 3. Dakine Torque Driver. This is the Dakine Torque Driver, your new go-to tool for any project. It's built to last with a durable design and high-quality materials. It's made from a robust blend of materials, 50% ABS plastics, 30% iron zinc alloy, and 20% steel alloy. This ensures it can handle even the toughest jobs. This isn't just one tool, it's a complete set. It includes a 6-piece ratchet driver, various screwdriver bits, and even wrenches. The precision-engineered bits and ratcheting mechanism make working with it a breeze. You'll get the job done quickly and accurately. You'll find number 2 and number 3 Phillips, number 3 Posidrive, 332 hex, 1/4 flat head, and 8mm and 10mm wrench bits all included in this compact and versatile tool. Experience the difference of a high-quality, durable tool built to perform. It's more than just a driver, it's an investment in your projects. What we like. It's a durable ratchet driver with multiple bits for various screws. If you need a reliable tool for tightening and loosening screws, this is the one for you. Its sturdy construction and versatile bits make it suitable for various applications. What people say. It was a breeze setting up my snowboard with this tool. It's compact and fits easily in a pocket. The bits easily drop back into the handle. This little driver is very handy, nice and small to pack around, and the bits fit the screws on my Burton snowboards perfectly. The handle makes it easy to tighten and loosen bolts, and the quality is good. This little tool comes in handy at the top of a mountain when you need to tighten your bindings. Number 2. Winterial Snowboard Tuning Kit. Get ready to hit the slopes with confidence. This kit has everything you need to keep your snowboard in top condition, from sharpening to waxing. It's all here. You get a multi-angle tuner, wax, iron, scrapers, PTX rods, and more, everything for a complete tune-up. Sharpen your edges to perfection with the ergonomic multi-angle tuner. Achieve peak performance with ease. This adjustable iron, with its perfectly sized hot plate, and all-season wax will keep you gliding smoothly all winter long. Noticeably improved control, speed, and safety. Regular tuning extends the life of your equipment. Everything fits neatly into a durable carry bag, making it easy to take with you wherever you go for quick touch-ups. What we like. This kit has everything you need for snowboard and ski tuning, including a wax iron and edge tuner. If you want to maintain your equipment at home, this kit is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to improve their board's performance and extend its lifespan. What people say. This works as good as a professional wax. I now wax everyone's boards and skis before hitting the mountain. All you need for snowboard tuning, light repair. Apron blew my mind. Everything included worked perfectly. Some instructions were unclear for my beginner friend, so they watched a YouTube video, but all the necessary components are there and work great. Number 1. Demon United Elite X Tuner. This kit has everything you need for precise ski and snowboard edge tuning. It's designed for accuracy and ease of use, ensuring a perfect edge every time. The adjustable side edge tool accepts various files, allowing you to customize your tuning process. It's built to last and is backed by Demon's quality warranty. Laser-measured angles guarantee accuracy. It even has a built-in file cleaner for easy maintenance. This kit includes 3 diamond stones with varying grits, a steel file, and a gummy stone. You'll have everything you need for every stage of the tuning process. It comes in protective packaging and includes a convenient carrying bag for easy transport and storage. Take it with you wherever you go. Demon United is a USA-based company dedicated to creating high-quality products for gravity sports. We're committed to helping you stay safe and have fun. What we like. It's an adjustable edge tuner with diamond stones and a multi-tool. If you are a serious snowboarder or skier looking for precision tuning, this is for you. The adjustable angle and high-quality stones ensure precise edge tuning for optimal performance. What people say. Cleans edges perfectly. Super easy to use. Makes it fun to tune my boards. Super easy to use. The little file brush does a terrific job, and the gummy stone is durable and effective. You can get just as good a tune from this as an expensive unit. Item is great, followed directions as skis are nice and sharp, saves me 60 ski for a tune-up. Great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.